My name is Jim McJenkins and I live in Northport. Several years back, my knees started bothering me. I went to the doctor and shots and got to a point where nothing was working, just had bone to bone. And so we decided to do the knee replacement surgery. At DCH, they had a program that before the surgery, they brought you into a class, went through the whole procedure with you. They showed you the apparatus they were going to use and how it operated, what they do, go in to do it. Pretty much put us at ease. A lot of people go to Birmingham, they go here or there. I don't understand why. The surgery, the recovery, the boot camp, couldn't have been better anywhere else. I had a great experience from it. I joke and say I don't even know I got knees. I can get down and paint baseboards, I get down and plant bushes in the front yard, and I even get out now in the yard with the grandkids and I can run and play and chase them and not hindered at all with it. It's just been very good recovery.
The DCH Comprehensive Joint Program, keeping bodies in motion.